back. Thanks for joining us again here at Season Beauty. Well, coming to you with a really quick video today. We are going to unbox the monthly Target Beauty box. And this particular box is called Wake Up and Makeup. Now previously, this box was only available online, but now it can actually be purchased in the store. So as we're preparing to open this box and check out the content of it, I just want to encourage you to subscribe. Hit that button down below if you like what you see. I heard another YouTuber say, even if you don't like this one, subscribe anyway. I'm sure I'll post something eventually that you'll like. So I think I might take a page from her book. So just hit that subscribe button down, and then that way you become a part of the Season Beauty family. So this is truly wrapped, and I'm checking everything out in here for the first time with you. However, I will give you this disclosure. On the back of each box, it gives you a description of everything that's enclosed. Now this box runs for $7, and now that they have it in the store, just go by, check it out, and see, if it's something that you would like. Pretty sure you'll love it. So, oh, it's a nice full box. How about that? Okay, so let's just get into the contents of the box. Well, the very first product that I pulled out of the box is actually a full size, by the way, Dove deodorant. How about that? It's called the Dry Spray Invisible No White Marks on 100 different colors. They've actually tried it out. So, you know what we'll do? Somewhere on the screen I will actually post the prices of items that are full size. Okay, we won't do those that are deluxe samples or trial sizes. We'll just see the prices of the full size items. Like in this case, we're going to check this one out. Now this one, it's 3.8 ounces, which is definitely a full size product. Depending on where you shop, this could range from anywhere from $5.49 to $6. We almost covered the cost of the entire box already. It's $7. So first product alone. The next thing that we put, maybe we should have started off here. Okay, how about that? This says, "Hello, gorgeous." This is one of their cards, and it says, "Mornings can be tough, but your AM beauty routine doesn't have to be. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll help you brighten up in a flash and get you out the door a little faster. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at Target.com. Okay, so that's what's enclosed in the box, and on the back it gives us a description of each of the products that are enclosed. Okay, so we've already done the first one, which actually was the Dove Dry Shampoo. I'm sorry, that's the next item coming up, by the way. The Dove Dry Spray Invisible Deodorant Sheer Fresh. Okay? Now, this also gives you a little hint about it, and this hint says up to 48 hours of odor and wetness protection. So that is the Dove deodorant spray. Okay. Now, the second item that we have in here is actually a sample size, but it's a nice size on the sample. Okay, right there, and this is the Dove Dry Shampoo, and this says, wow, this one is in the scent coconut. Okay, that's what it says here. And this is weightless formula, absorbs excess oil, reviving hair between washes. So day-old locks go from limp to lush. Now I will tell you, these are great products to use on your hair pieces, your wigs, that kind of thing. That's a good way to help keep them fresh as well. So, and this was actually a 1.15 ounce trial size. Okay. The next product in here is, I'm sure you recognize this, the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Blending Brush. This one says, this unique brush head with ultra-fine bristles provides even streak-free coverage on the first application. Now, of course, it's a full size. So, oh, and it even comes with the bristle cover sleeve. Okay, and this brush on all sites, on e.l.f. site, Walmart, Target, the brush goes for $6. Box paid for. It's paid for. So, not a bad deal right off the bat. And we're only at product number 3. Okay, and the next product in this box is another e.l.f. product. And this one is the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Face Palette. This is 3-in-1 palette. Features bronzer, highlighter, and 2 blushes. So you can sculpt your face in a flash. It says a trick, contour like a pro in seconds. Apply in the shape of a 3 along the top of the forehead, below the cheekbones, and along the jawline. Voila. Okay. So let's just see. Somehow, based on what I see on this package, this isn't going to contour anything for me. The blush, maybe. Contour, absolutely not. So, but let's take a look at the palette. This may end up in the giveaway. Oh, but the packaging is amazing. How about that? I'm not trying to break my fingernails, y'all. They are mine. No, it's got a nice size mirror. And these are the colors. So if anything, they'll probably all make great blushes. Possibly even using them for eyeshadow palette. Now, this particular product, on all e.l.f. sites, on Walmart, Target, all of them, this product goes for $8. Okay, y'all, come on. We're 8, 6, and the brush another 6. So we're already at $20 for a $7 box. Okay. So let's see, the next product in here is, I'm not sure if this is a full, yes it is, 3.4, yes, wow. This is the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. Heard a lot about this. It says, feather fan brush separates and catches each lash for maximum length in just one swipe. Okay. Now this one says, the tip, before applying, dust lashes with CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder to instantly plump up the volume. Bonus mascara that will last longer too. So in this right here, oh, I really want to open this so you can see what the brush itself looks like. There's actually a very small picture of what the brush itself looks like. I try not to open mascaras until I'm ready to use them because their shelf life, they do carry an expiration date. So try not to open it until I'm ready. Now, depending on where you purchase this little package right here can go from anywhere from $6.70 to $8, depending on where you purchase it. So we were at $20 before. We're at $28. That's 4 times the price of what we pay for this box. There's still more inside. Okay, the next item. Well, this is just one of those, okay, we'll say it as, this is a thank you for purchasing. A sample size, a 1 use. This is a Sonia Kashuk brush cleaning wipe. It says individually wrapped, quick dry wipes, clean makeup brushes on the go and allow you to color change in a cinch. It says, psst, the alcohol-free formula is gentle on bristles, so makeup is kinder on the skin. So this isn't a full-size product, so I didn't really go in to check and see what the price on this will be, but I can put it in the description box below if needed. So still not finished. There's one product left in the box. Okay, this one is a sample as well. And this is Honest Makeup Remover Wipes. There are actually 7 of them in here. And this says, Honest Beauty Makeup Remover Wipes, rich blend of grapeseed and olive oils. Lift away yesterday's excess smudges and residue, leaving a clean canvas for your morning makeup. Okay, first of all, I'm not going overnight with makeup on my face, so we'll say for the same night. However, this is sample size, and there are 7 of them inside. Okay, so we're at approximately $28 in product, in full-size product, because there are others here. Now, for someone like me who just loves a good coupon, they also included some of those in there. So there is a $3 off coupon for the Honest Wipes. Actually, it says for any Honest Beauty purchase. Okay, there's $3 off. Then there's $1 off on the Dove hair care and the Dove deodorant. Now, the thing with this is, it does not say it has to be this particular one. It says any Dove deodorant, okay, except trial size. That's the only disclaimer that's here. So if we were at a $28 full-size value products, then we will also add $5 to that. So we're looking at $33 for a $7 plus tax beauty box purchase. I want to say thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and we'll be back soon. We'll be trying out some of these beauty products, and as always, regardless of the season that you're in, we are seasoned beauty.